Hello friends, our today's topic is auto transformer. So auto transformer is a special type of transformer which has a single winding, and this single winding is shared between primary and secondary side. So by doing this we can reduce the overall cost of transformer, and the windings, as you know, the windings are made up of copper, and copper is a very costly material. So instead of two winding, if we can able to use a single winding, yes, which is shared between the primary and secondary side, the overall cost is reduced significantly. If we compare the auto transformer with conventional transformer, then we can say that in conventional power transformer we are having two separate windings, that is primary and secondary windings, and there is a core, iron core. Okay, but in auto transformer we are having only a single winding. Okay, we'll see the construction and how it works. See the construction diagram. These are the two primary terminals. So we'll take the iron core or the magnetic core over, and we can say this magnetic core is laminated, yes, in order to reduce eddy current losses. So the auto transformer will consist only one winding which is wounded on a laminated core with a rotary movable contact. Okay, so this is what the iron core, I'll write here, this is iron core, and on this iron core this copper winding is wounded and the two terminals are taken out. Okay, and here is a pointer. Okay, so this pointer will move on the winding, and this is what the terminal which is taken out for secondary side. Okay, so we'll see the connection diagram also. So this is how it will look. This is the coil, yes, copper winding which is wounded on the magnetic core. The two fixed terminals in between these two will provide the high AC voltage. Okay, and this is what that movable pointer which is moving on this particular winding. Okay, so we'll take the movable terminal out with respect to terminal B or ground. This is what our secondary side. So this is the primary side and the secondary side. We'll apply input here between the primary terminals and will apply load between C and B terminals. Okay, so the types of auto transformer, like our conventional transformer, the auto transformer are also classified into two types: step down auto transformer and step up auto transformer. Okay, so this is what the diagram shown the auto transformer as a step down transformer. So you can see this is a single winding shared between the primary side and secondary side, hence it's a auto transformer. As we are applying our input between the two terminals, N1 is the number of input turns, input winding turns. See the N2, our contact, the slider will move over this winding, yes, so N2 will be vary, yes, N2 will change as our pointer will change, and across this part, say CB, we are measuring the output voltage V2. So we can say AB is our primary winding and CB is our secondary winding. So output voltage is equals to N2 by N1 into V1. We have formed this as per our turns ratio only, or transformer ratio only. In this particular diagram you can check the N2 number of turns to the secondary side, they are less because this contact will move okay, over this particular winding. Generally the specification of auto transformer will look like this: 230 as to 110. So secondary side is always lower, means we cannot move this contact up till the peak point. Yes, we are having some restrictions, so this pointer will not go beyond certain limit. So secondary turns N2, they are always less as compared to N1. Okay, hence this kind of transformer is known as step down transformer. Now the step up transformer, see it is exactly reverse. We are having less number of turns in the primary side and more number of turns in the secondary side. So between terminals A and B, the whole winding is there, which is our secondary winding. Will connect our load across secondary winding, and here we'll move our or will place our slider or movable contact. So input voltage here will going to be changed. Yes, and as per the input voltage, it will get step up at the secondary side. So see here, a part of CB. Okay, so this is what the CB is. Of a complete winding is known as primary winding and AB is known as secondary winding. As number of turns in the primary side are less as compared to N2, so primary voltage would be less and secondary would be more. Hence, this is known as step up transformer. The applications of auto transformer, it is used as a variable AC supply. Yes, you might be seen this variac in your basic electrical labs. Second, in order to start AC motors, maybe your induction motor or maybe synchronous motors, yes, in those applications we use auto transformer. And third, very important, that is dimmer stat. Okay, so if we use variac to control the intensity of lamps at various locations or say applications, maybe in cinema hall or maybe in conference hall, yes, so that particular application is known as dimmer stat. So auto transformer is a very useful device, especially in variac or as a variac or as a dimmer stat. Thank you for listening.